I'm excited to tell you all about my experience in the Relevancy Engine program with Scott Oldford. So I've known Scott for a long time. We've worked together as far back as 5 or 6 years ago. But what I watched him do over the last year, right before I joined the program, was really remarkable. So he completely let go of one business and completely restructured his entire business in a really fast amount of time. And that was exactly what I was wanting for myself. Because I had built a successful business. So I was bringing in, between 15 to 25K in revenue each month. Some months were upwards of 30K or 40K, but my profit margin wasn't that great. I was running an agency style business where I was building out brand identities, brand strategies, and websites for my clients with a team of contractors. And I knew that I needed to change something because I wasn't reaching my revenue goals or my profit goals, and I was at capacity when it comes to how many clients I could serve effectively at the same time. So something had to give and enter the Relevancy Engine. I was so excited to join the program to learn what Scott had done in his own transition, but I didn't know what to expect. I'm not the kind of person that invests hundreds of thousands of dollars into coaching and programs and courses and all of these things, but I trusted that it would be a good experience, and my goodness, it was incredible. So my favorite thing was that you're paired up with a coach who actually works with you one-on-one, hand in hand through the entire process. So you're not just given a bunch of material and expected to fend for yourself. You really get guided through the entire process, because there's always going to be like weird mindset stuff or just like weird technology stuff that hangs you up as you're working through, and you know that you have not only group calls, but you have a one-on-one support system who is helping you through that entire thing. So as of this point, I've completely shifted my signature service from done for you to a done with you program. Didn't go as nuclear as Scott did, so I didn't blow up my entire previous business. It's been more of a transition, which is working really well for me. And I've made back my investment in the program 3 times over already, and I'm just getting started. So I'm so grateful and so thankful for this opportunity and for all of the support through the Relevancy Engine program. If you're thinking about it, especially if you're in that place where you're at capacity, you can't take on any more clients, but yet you're not at the take-home income that you want to be at, the Relevancy Engine is the perfect answer to help you transition to a more sustainable and scalable business model.